Exercise 14.2, Question 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.3 cm using a ruler. So students, here we have to use ruler to draw a line segment of length 7.3 cm. Steps of construction. Place the zero mark of the ruler at point A. So students, here zero mark we have to place of the ruler at point A. Mark a point B at a distance of 7.3 cm from A. So students, here we have placed the zero mark. We have to mark the distance till 7.3 cm and then we have to point it at a B. Join AB. Hence, line segment AB is the required line segment of length 7.3 cm. So let us draw figure. So students, this is our zero mark where we have to mark point A and we have to draw till 7.3. So this is 7, 1, 2 and 3. Hence this is till 7.3. So this point we have to mark B, and here from starting, that is 0, we have to mark A, and here we will write 7.3 cm. Why? Because this distance is of 7.3 cm. Number 2. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 cm using ruler and compasses. So students, in this question we have to construct 5.6 cm line segment with this ruler as well as compasses. Steps of construction. Draw a line L. So students, first of all we will draw a line L. Mark a point A on this line. We will mark point A on this line. Then place the compasses of pointer on zero mark of the ruler and open it to place the pencil point up to 5.6 cm mark. So students, here we will place the compass at 0 and we will open the compass till here 5.5 and here 5.6. So this way we will open the compass. Without changing the opening of the compasses, place the pointer on A and cut an arc L at B. Line segment AB is the required line segment of 5.6 cm. So we don't have to change this opening of the compass and then we have to mark the arc. Now let us draw figure. So students, first of all let us draw a line L. So here we will draw a line L. Now next step is mark a point A on the line. So we have marked a point A. Now we will open the compass till 5.6 and we will measure on the ruler. So this is 5.6 measurement. Then we will place the compass pointer . Then we will place the compass pointer on A and then we will mark this arc, and this is of 5.6 cm. And here we will label the name as B. So this distance is how much? 5.6 cm. Hence the required line segment is 5.6 cm AB. Question number 3. Construct line segment AB of length 7.8 cm. From this, cut off line segment AC of length 4.7 cm and BC, measure line segment BC. So here we have to construct line segment AB of 7.8 cm and AC of 4.7 cm, and then we have to measure line segment BC. Steps of construction. Place the zero mark of the ruler at A. Mark a point B at a distance of 7.8 cm. So when we make 7.8 cm distance, we have to mark a point A. Again mark a point C at a distance of 4.7 cm from A. Hence, by measuring line segment BC, we find that we find that line segment BC equals to 3.1 centimeter. So let us draw figure. So students, first of all, we will draw a line L. Then we will mark a point A on line L. So first measurement that we have to take is 7.8. We'll place a pointer on 0 and then we will measure till 7.8. So now with the point, we will put a pointer on A and then we will mark an arc. This is B and this line segment AB is how many? 7.8 centimeter. Now students, we have to take measurement of 4.7. So let us take measurement of 4.7. Hence, this is the measurement of 4.7. Now again with the point A, we'll put our pointer on point A and we will mark an arc. So this measurement is 4.7 and here we'll give name C. So this is 4.7 and here this measurement from A to B, it is 7.8 centimeter. Now B to C we have to mark the measurement. How much it is that we have to see. It is 3.1 centimeter. So we will get like this way, B to C measurement as 3.1 centimeter. Question number 4. Given line segment AB of length 3.9 centimeter. Construct line segment PQ such that the length of line segment PQ is twice that of line segment AB. Verify by the measurement. So here we have to first of all construct the figure and then we have to verify by the measurement also. First step, steps of construction. Draw a line L. Construct line segment PX such that the length of PX equals to length of line segment AB. Then cut off line segment XQ such that XQ also has the length of line segment AB. Thus, the length of line segment PX and the length of XQ added together to make the twice of the length of AB. So students, first of all, before drawing the figure, let us understand these steps with the rough figure. Students, this is the rough figure. Here PX we will draw, then XQ we will draw. And adding PX and XQ we get PQ. So this is one of the rough figure. Similarly, we will draw for the length of AB. So students, let us draw the figure. Now, length of AB is given 3.9 centimeter. So first of all, we will draw length of AB of 3.9 centimeter. So this is AB equals to 3.9 centimeter. Now we have to draw PX and PQ. So students, here we will draw a line segment of 7.8. Then after, here students, this is P and this is Q. And PX is how much? PX is of 3.9 centimeter. Hence students, this is PX is 3.9 centimeter and XQ is also 3.9 centimeter. But student, as it is given in the question, PQ is the twice of line segment AB. Why? Because this PQ total distance is 7.8 centimeter, which is twice of line segment AB. Now let us write this with the verification of measurement. Hence by measurement we find that line segment PQ equals to 7.8 centimeter. That is equals to 3.9 centimeter plus 3.9 centimeter. This 3.9 centimeter is also length of AB. That is equals to line segment AB plus line segment AB. This is given in question. Now AB plus AB is 2 line segment AB. Hence we have verified that this is the twice of line segment AB. Question number 5. Given line segment AB of length 7.3 cm and line segment CD of length 3.4 cm. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the length of line segment AB and line segment CD. Verify by measurement. So students, here line segment AB measurement is given, that is 7.3 cm, and line segment CD measurement is given, that is 3.4 cm. Then we have to construct a line segment XY such that 7.3, that is line segment AB, minus line segment CD, that is 3.4, is equals to 3.9 centimeter. So let us draw these constructions without doing subtractions. Steps of constructions. First is given, draw a line L and take a point X on it. So students, first of all, let us draw this step. Students, here line segment AB 7.3 cm we have drawn, that is given in the question, and line segment CD, that is 3.4 cm is drawn. This is also given in the question. Now our first step is what? That we have to draw a line. We have to draw a line L and put a point X on L. So we have put point X on L. What is step 2? Construct XZ such that length XZ equals to length of AB, that is equals to 7.3 cm. Means what? We will construct XZ such that length of AB, that is 7.3 cm, that is equals to length of XZ. Let us see this in the figure. Now students, where is our line segment AB given? Here. So we will open the compass till AB. This is how much measurement? We will open the compass till line segment AB. This is how much measurement? 7.3. So according to the question, here we will put our pointer on X and then we will cut this line, and that is XZ, because we have drawn XZ line, that is equals to the length of AB, that is 7.3 cm. Step 3. Then cut off ZY equals to length of CD equals to 3.4 cm. Now here we have to cut the line ZY, that is equals to which length? 3.4 cm. So students, here 3.4 cm, that is which line segment? CD. So we will open our compass till 3.4 cm. Now we have to cut ZY. We will go left side from the Z, as here our X is that from XY we have to find. So we will cut this ZY from the left side, and this is our ZY, that is equals to CD. So here we will label the name, that is XY. Number 4. Thus the length of line segment XY equals to length of line segment AB minus length of line segment CD. Now let us measure this length of XY with the scale and find out what is the measurement of the XY. We will get 7.3 minus 3.4. Hence students, we have measured the length of XY, and that is 3.9 centimeter. This 3.9 centimeter is what? Subtraction from 7.3 minus 3.4. So this is our measurement of XY. Let us write this by the measurement verification. Hence, by measurement we find that the length of line segment XY equals to 3.9 centimeter. How? 7.3 centimeter minus 3.4 centimeter, that is equals to 3.9 centimeter.